valley so small. Sound wind roll and the waves spread wide. You sing a song until you're 6 feet tall. And a walking, stomping, stalking down the sidewalk. Sporting clothes, friends sitting side by side. Fly little songbirds on to the next stop. You sing a song, you look each other in the eye like who all can tell you not to sing your story? Who all can tell you that you're singing off key? You are the dance, you are not the dancer. You are the song, not the one who sings. Be on you, tip of song, songbird. You wanna take this one? Be on you, tip of song, songbird. Songbird. I'll be on you, tip of song, songbird. Will you tell the truth? Nicely done, Court. Imagination. He think he looking when he walk on by. He think the world is one big mirror. Him get upset and then he don't feel right when he walk and talk and he's walking down the sidewalk. Sporting clothes, cutting stride by stride. I tell him, Trini, you are not what you consider. I stop dead and when I look him in the eye and say, who all can tell you not to sing your story? Who all can tell you that you're singing off key? You are the dancer, you are not the dancer. You are the song, not the one who sings. Be on you, tip on the song, songbird. Tip on the song, songbird. Be on you, tip on the song, songbird. No, you tell the truth. Get upset and then you don't feel right. You try to fly up straight and you fly up tight. You try to talk about life like it's on an advance. Life is the dancer and you are the dancer. So be on you, tip of song, songbird. Be on you, tip of song, song.